Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today in English I am going to continue lesson 2. In the previous video I have already taught you the word meanings of hard words and the explanation of the lesson. Today I will continue the exercise. In exercise first we will complete who said these words, tick the correct words, and in second write one word answer, and the third how do this animal move? Circle the correct word. And the last one is rewrite these names. Begin with a capital letter. So let's start the exercise. First we will complete who said this word. Tick the correct word. It means some lines are given to you and two options are also given to you. You have to find out which option is correct. So the first one is I am crying because my ship has run away. And the option are the fox or the boy. Who said this word? I am crying because my ship has run away. Yes, the answer is the boy. And I have already done the tick mark. B, the boy. Now the second question is the bee will sting me. I must run. Who said this word? The option are the ship, the boy. The answer will be the ship. The ship said this word that the bee will sting me. I must run. Now second word is write one word answer. It means the questions are given to you and you have to write only one word to understand the answer. So the question is what did the little boy have? Once again I repeat the question. What did the little boy have? A little boy had a ship. What did the little boy have? A ship. Now the next question is where did the ship run away? Once again I repeat the question. Where did the ship run away? And the answer is into the forest. Once again the answer is into the forest. The ship ran away into the forest. Now the third question is what did the ship want to eat? Once again I repeat the question. What did the ship want to eat? So the answer is grass. Once again the answer is grass. The sheep want to eat the grass. Now the next question is where did the little boy want to go? Once again I repeat the question. Where did the little boy want to go? So the answer is to go home. Once again I repeat the answer to go home. The little boy wanted to go home. Now the next question is who made the ship go home? Once again I repeat the question. Who made the ship go home? The answer is the bee. Once again I repeat the answer. The answer is the bee. The bee made the ship to go home. Now the next exercise is how does this animal move? Circle the correct word. It means that names of animals are given and in the options some movements are given. You have to find out which movement is suitable for which animal. So the first animal name is a bee and the options are flies or hops. A bee flies or hops. So the correct answer is flies. I have already given the tick mark in the answer. So a bee can fly. Now the second name is a snake. Snake, the options are hops or crawls. So the correct answer is crawls. A snake crawls. Now the next name is a fish. Fish, the options are crawls or swims. So the answer is swim. A fish swim. Now the next animal name is a rabbit. And the options are hops or swim. So the answer is hops. A rabbit can hop. Now the next one is a duck. What does a duck do? Swim or crawls? So the answer is swim. A duck can swim. Now the next animal name is a horse. The option are flies or trots. So the answer is trots. A horse can trots. Now in the next exercise you have to rewrite these names begin with the capital letter. It means that some names are given to you and you have to again write that name, but the name should be written in the capital letter. Means the first letter of the name should be in the capital letter because the name of the person always begin with the capital letter. So the first name is Tina, Tina. As you can see that in the name of Tina, the T is written as a small letter. That is wrong. When you write again, you have to write the T in the capital letter. So the T should be in the capital letter Tina. Then it will be in the correct form. Now next name is Rita, Rita. As you can see that R is also in the small letter. When you write again, the R should be in the capital letter. So R should be in the capital letter Rita, Rita. Then it will be correct. As you can see that I have already written all the capital letters. Now next word name is Sia, Siya, Sia. As you can see that S is in the small letter. So when you again write the name, the S should be in the capital letter Sya, Sia. Now next name is Raman, Raman. In this also R is in the small letter. Now when you write again, you should write R in capital letter Raman, Raman. Now next name is Ali, Ali. In this also you can see that A is in small letter. When you again write the name, the A should be in the capital letter Ali, Ali. Now the next name is Rosa. In this also the R is in the small letter. When you write again the name, the R should be in the capital letter Rosa, Rosa. Okay students, thank you for today's class. Now this is your homework. You have to complete all the exercise of second lesson in your copy with neat and beautiful writing, and you have to learn it all.